Cutelis. I decided I'm going to be making a course on iMovie. So this is the introduction to the course. And in the course, there are going to be 10 prerequisites to creating your own movie. And prerequisites just means that you're going to have to do these mini lessons before you create your real movie. And the mini lessons are just going to be specific activities that you need to complete to practice specific skills. So there's going to be 10 of them, and they're all going to be super exciting. And don't worry, you're going to be able to put a part of you in all of these movies. And in the end, you are going to be an iMovie extraordinaire. So I'm really excited about this course. I'm very, very excited about this, and I cannot wait to see what you make. Again. So what we're going to do today is we're going to learn a skill on iMovie. And the skill that we're going to learn today is called voiceover. So the voiceover option allows you to record your voice on top of the video, regardless of what's in the video. Even if it's a video that has a sound on it already, you can use your voice as the chosen sound instead. So get ready to learn. Go get your iPad and meet me right here. So when you start a new movie, you're going to be clicking on this and then here. And I'm going to go to my photos because remember your assignment was to get 10 photos under the same theme. So I'm going to pick nature because I do photograph nature quite a bit. So I have been outdoors a lot. And then here's some others from my nature walk. Perfect. Okay. And then I press create movie. And it's pulling up the images right now. Okay, so what happens is it puts the images in the order that I click them. So, and today our lesson is going to be voiceover. This right here is where voiceover is. And so I'm going to show you really quickly this. When I press play here, notice there's no sound. Okay, I have not added my audio yet. So I'm going to record myself talking so that it will be recorded underneath. Okay, so listen up. I'm going to click on here and it's going to say record. So right now you see this line going up. I'm not recording yet, by the way. This line is going, and that means it's picking up on my voice. So I'm going to press the word record and it will count. Hey guys, look at these wonderful images from my walk. I take a long walk every day with my dog, and I always take my camera with me so I can take photos of beautiful things I see around me. There are lots of fun things everywhere, especially in the forest, where right now the flowers are blooming. All of the grass is coming out, the beautiful leaves, everything smells delicious. I can't wait for summer. So I stopped my recording, and my eyes, it's a little distracting, but my eyes was on the big screen on the top left, not on the bottom. You are speaking and describing what's happening on the big screen. Remember that. When I'm either going to accept it, or I'm going to retake the video or the audio, or cancel it. But I'm going to go ahead and accept it. So now I'm going to play it for you so you could see. Oops, my volume is off. Look at these wonderful images from my walk. I take a long walk every day with my dog, and I always take my camera with me so I can take photos of beautiful things I see around me. Do you notice what's happening is that this line at the bottom, the blue line, is my voice. That is the recording of my voice. And those zigzags at the bottom of the blue line is the sound or the tones of my voice. And if you want to raise that, let's say I didn't speak loud enough, you can go to volume and you can turn it up or down, but there's limits to that. So here, let me turn it way up. There are lots of fun things. Okay, and now I'm gonna turn it way down. If you want to play with something, you need to always click on it first. You see I click on this frame, but now I'm gonna click on my voice, and there's a yellow line that's around it. And then I go to volume, and I'm gonna turn it way down. See what happens. I'm gonna actually turn it off, or turn, there we go. No, it's not letting me do. Especially in the forest. But right now, it's barely, I barely hear it, so it's gonna have to go back up. Okay, so that is the self-record option. And so your assignment is going to be finding 10 photos that are under the same theme, uploading them to iMovie, and using the self-record option that's on the top left, and it looks like a little mic. When you click on it, I don't know why it's having a problem. This will come up, and you're going to press record, and then it will do a countdown. Now, if you don't want to start right at the beginning, you see this line. I'm going to cancel for a minute. You see this up and down vertical line. You can move that up and down vertical line to where you want it to start the video. So let me just erase this for a minute. I'm going to click on my voice recording, and then you can erase it by going to delete. Now I don't have my voice recording anymore. Now, if I erase that by accident, I can go ahead and add it back on by clicking this turn around or U-turn signal on the middle right. Okay, so let me just erase it though, because I want to show you how you can decide. It doesn't always have to start at the beginning. Let's say I just wanted a lot of silent space there and I wanted to start speaking right here. I need to put this vertical line right where I wanted to start. But notice that when I turn it on and I start recording, it is going to go back a few, and then go 3, 2, 1, and then it will start recording. Now remember what I said, you keep your eyes on the top left huge frame so that when this is moving, you are describing the right thing. Okay, I'm just saying that because sometimes on my computer, this vertical line disappears. You don't know where you are. You only know where you are by looking at the big frame. So I'm going to put this here because I want the recording to start here. And I'm going to press record, and then we'll count down from 3, 2, 1. So these plants are my favorite. I love the yellow flowers. They grow in bunches. Okay. So notice my recording, I'm going to accept it. Notice my recording started where I had this long vertical line. So always put that where you want your recording to go. Okay. And here you can pull and shorten your recording as you want. Okay. So now you know what your assignment is. I can't wait to see what you do. Have fun.